Hi, I'm Steve, and when we were out looking for vendors to have our roof installed, we ended up using the Nextdoor app, and we liked the reviews we saw. We had Nate and his team come out. We had a great initial meeting. Everything, we were very impressed by the presentation. From that perspective, we looked at several different vendors, but we ended up choosing Can Roof Construction. The simple fact, we liked it. They were a 5-star certified roofing installer, which was one of our criteria. It was very important to us to make sure we had the 5-star certification. As far as the install and getting back and forth, because we had some questions in the beginning, the team always got back to us in a very, very short amount of time. Everything was great. We ended up choosing them to do our roofing project. From the time of installation, I ended up taking the day off. And I was so impressed by the amount of tarps and how everybody really cared about taking care of our yard and everything. I'm big into landscaping, so I was very concerned because I've had stories from friends, of things getting damaged, and there was not a single shrub that had any damage on it. The yard was cleaned up perfectly afterwards. You couldn't even tell that they were here at that point. Your team did such a great job. One thing, I spent a lot of time doing leaf blowing. I have yet to find a single nail in my entire property. That's just such a great job that they did, and I'm very commended them for that. Second thing, because they did such a good job, we had a project to install the sliding door behind us. And because of the initial project went so well, that we decided to contract them to do this as well. And just to cut things short, we had a challenge when they got halfway done with the siding. We find out that the manufacturer had changed the siding design 2 years ago. Nate's team came up with the idea of taking shingles off the back of my shed to finish it up. Otherwise, we would have been stuck redoing the whole back of our house. That's the type of service and support that you're going to get from Can Roofing. Thank you. All right, thank you.